What's up everybody, it's 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I am wearing a shirt today because it's a special occasion, feeling a little luxurious you might say. And that is all because of this absolute beauty that has just graced my presence and come through my shop. This is a 2021 Rolls-Royce Phantom in all of its glory. So I must admit this is probably really pretty much without a doubt the most expensive car that's ever come through here, somewhere around the $460K price tag, and I wish I could say I did a whole bunch of really exciting things to it, but the reality is that I just did this amazing light up grille. Now, trying to stick to some Rolls-Royce quality on the installation, all of the strips are of course completely hidden, so all we're gonna have is a nice illuminated background. It is on cash money green right now, but of course it is RGBW, so that we got blue right there, we can do a red, and we can do a pure white, which looks super fresh and clean on this vehicle. All Diode Dynamics products, the Bluetooth controller, the strip itself, and all I'm gonna do is just kind of showcase this and stare at it because honestly it's really cool. I'm proud of it, I'm excited, it was a fun install, I definitely took my time with it. So I hate that the most valuable car ever in my existence here is gonna be the shortest video ever, but that's it. I did a color changing grille, it looks super dope, I'm happy with it. I am obligated to say some 2 Chainz shit like, yo, the doors go that way. Honestly, my favorite feature of this entire vehicle is the Phantom logo that's like kind of floating in the dash there. I think that's a really nice touch. Perforated leather Starlight headliner, it's all right. But this super amazing color changing RGBW grille from Diode Dynamics installed by Superior Mobile by 13. Come on, you know if you own a Phantom, you need this in your life. Pricing and product information is gonna be in the video description. All build inquiries must be submitted via the form on the website. But that's all I gotta say on this one. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I sure am. I'll talk to you later. See ya.